So guys, Thursday 31st of March, I'm doing another project. What's going on in Woody's world? Quite a lot actually. So just taking out the old gas fire and knocking it back to the original fireplace. So just about another course and a brick to knock out. Thank God for my little demolition drill there. Wonderful piece of kit that. And then as soon as that's done, the guy's going to come round and line it out with fireboard and what have you, and a slate hearth, and we've identified the wood burning stove that we want, so hopefully not before too long we'll have that up and running. So hopefully we'll come back and show you what it looks like when we've got it done. But it's an incredibly messy job, and like an idiot I didn't shut the top of my tool case full of dust. See you later.